Ever imagined a farm that fits in your backyard, needs almost no feed, and still gives amazing profits? That's the magic of snail farming. Snail farming, or heliciculture, is the practice of raising edible snails for food and cosmetics. It's gaining popularity because it needs low investment, very little space, and offers great returns. Snail meat is a delicacy rich in protein and iron, while snail slime is widely used in the cosmetic industry. It's in high demand in Europe, Africa, and Asia. Start by selecting a suitable species. The giant African land snail and garden snail are the most popular choices. Pick one that matches your climate and market. Snails need a moist, shaded, and secure environment. Use well ventilated enclosures and proper fencing to prevent escape. Humidity is the key. Snails grow faster in moist conditions. Feed them vegetables, fruits, and calcium rich supplements. Keep the enclosure clean and maintain good airflow. Healthy snails is equal to higher profits. Snails multiply quickly, often laying dozens of eggs in one cycle. You can start harvesting in 6 to 12 months when they reach market size. So that's it. Snail farming is simple, sustainable, and surprisingly profitable. A great opportunity for beginners or anyone wanting to try something new. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Discover Agriculture, and hit the bell icon.